Hello everyone and welcome to IEMLabs. Now in this tutorial we are going to build a text to speech converter using Python. Now the agenda for today's tutorial is to know what shall we use and to create the text to speech converter. Now what shall we use? So starting off with, we are going to use the Google text to speech, that is the gtts module, to create our text to speech converter, and the playsound module to play the audio file that we are going to create. Now, according to the official documentation of gtts, Google text to speech is a Python library and a command line interface tool that works with Google Translate's text to speech API. The playsound module is used to play audio files through Python scripts. Now, before creating the text to speech converter, we need to install the gtts and playsound packages in our computer system, and we can do this, as I have mentioned in previous videos, we can do this using pip install command. So first we are going to install the gtts like this. Since I've already installed, it is showing requirement already satisfied, and we are going to write pip install playsound, the package which will be used to play the audio file. And since I have already installed both these, that is why it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now the next step is to open up a Python script and to import the necessary modules. First we are going to import the gtts module. That is, from gtts we are going to import G capital T S. Now G capital T S is the function which is included in the gtts module, and I am sorry, not function, the class. Now using this gtts class, we are going to create the text to speech converter. Now from playsound, the playsound module contains only one function, that is the playsound function, and we are going to import that. Now let us take the input from the user, as that is the text that we are going to convert into a speech, as enter any text. Let us store it into the variable called message. Then we are going to create a gtts object. Let us name it as speech, and we are going to create the object with the message as the input. The text is going to be message. Okay, now we have created our gtts object. Now to convert the object, text to a speech, we are going to write this as speech dot save. Let's name it as hello world .mp3. Since mp3 is an extension for audio files, that is why we are going to save it as a .mp3 file. Now using the playsound module, we will play the audio file that we have created as hello world .mp3. Let us save it and run the application. Let us write hello world and press enter.
Hello world.
And we see that the computer has responded to us in a female voice known as hello world, calling us hello world. Let us run it once again. Let us write something else like I love to eat and press enter.
I love to eat.
And we see that the computer has responded to us with the statement as I love to eat. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified of any and every video that we post on this channel. Thank you.